Welcome back. I'm Jordan with G-Force Performance Products. Today we're going to talk about one of our newest Crossmembers. This one fits a 1988 to 98 GMC and Chevy 1500 truck. What's nice about this is it fits pretty much any transmission that you can think of. Turbo 400, 700R4. Even if you're doing an LS swap, we have a Pro Kit that includes one of our adjustable transmission mounts, which is great for the 4L80, 4L60, and any placement that you're going to put that engine and transmission combo. Another nice thing about this Crossmember is the double hump design, which allows you to tuck the exhaust nice and tight above the frame rails, which is great for lowered or bagged applications. This Crossmember is made of structural steel and it's powder coated black, but it's only for two-wheel drive applications. So your 88 to 98 1500 truck, two-wheel drive, this is a great replacement Crossmember for any transmission swap, LS swap, or if you're just running some large exhaust or dropping or bagging your truck. If you want to see some more pictures or look up some more information, you can check it out on crossmembers.com. Thanks for watching.